If you are seeing the error, this version of WhatsApp is outdated and can't open the app, don't panic. It's a common issue with a simple fix. First, head over to the Google Play Store, search for WhatsApp, and check if there is an update available. If yes, tap Update and wait for it to install. Once it's done, open WhatsApp again and the error should disappear. But if you don't see an update option, or if you're using a phone that doesn't support Google Play Store, you can download the latest version manually. Open your browser, go to www.whatsapp.com/android and download the APK file directly from there. After it downloads, tap on it to install and make sure to allow installations from unknown sources if prompted. Once the new version is installed, your chats and data will be safe and the outdated error will be gone. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more WhatsApp fix tips and tech tutorials.